we have found new and creative ways to devalue women by just making the men around them feel like they're being lesser than for treating them appropriately. But, you know, neither here nor there, folks.
Damn, dude, talk that talk. What just came out? Eating a donut in the car while sneezing. I mean, for a good 3 seconds there.
I sneeze.
Driving blind.
I sneeze everywhere, baby.
So you sneeze it all over your controller. Over your wheelchair.
Technically.
What the over your steering wheel, I mean.
Bro, 2019 was 5 years ago.
Math. Congrats. Yeah, I know.
That one fucks me up, too. The pandemic. 4 years ago.
That's banana pants.
That's banana pants, right?
Yeah, that's finances on the bananas. Banana. Jesus. Banana pants. What the hell is going on?